Yo. Got the Pixel 7. I'm doing an unbox video just cuz I've never done one before, and I just got this today. I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I had to sign for it and I wasn't here, so I got it today. Open it for the first time on camera. I have the Pixel 6 Pro. Like, this is what I've been using for the past year. I pre-ordered this when it came out, and I've been having tons of problems with it. Like, not problems. It's just been a very not reliable. Biggest problem I had with it was going on car rides, which I travel a lot for my job. It would switch like 5G, 4G, and it would just not pick up a data signal so frequently. And for some reason, it was so slow to get it back. It was like the most aggravating thing. So I'm hoping that this new phone, they did something to fix it. And I've heard that this one's been a lot better from the reviews I've looked at. So I pre-ordered it on the Google store, and when I pre-ordered it, you got to trade in your old phone. So I'm trading in my Pixel 6 Pro for $600 trade-in, and I got the Pixel 7 for free. So didn't have to pay anything for it. So here it is. I got the white one. Ooh, it's super, super slick. And this thing's on it. It's a weird little paper they show you. All the stuff on it. Take that paper off. The phone front is flat on this one compared to the Pixel 6 Pro, which I think I might like more. I didn't really, oh man, it's super blurry. Like, this is like curved, so I didn't really like that much. The curved thing. It's great for like going back with an iPhone, or not an iPhone, with an Android. Like, with an Android, you swipe from the side to go back, and that's very useful. But in a case or whatever, it just would collect a bunch of dirt on the side. And yeah, I don't know what I was going with that. Pixel 7's looks pretty thicker than the 6 Pro. It looks a lot thicker. Like, if you look at the sides of it, they look thicker. But there's the display. Very bright. That was another thing, is they updated the display, made it brighter. It's also slightly smaller, which I think I will like. I think I will like more. Holding this phone with my hand like this, it's also a lot slicker than this material. I don't know what material they switched, but holding this phone, I can put my finger here and it fits better. I can tell already. Then my hand with this is like it's stretching to put my finger here. And it's also a little easier to keep my finger here than the other one because it's metal. The other one like just slides right off because it's like multiple parts. I don't know if you can see that. I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do an unboxing because I thought I've never done one, and I'm excited about this phone. Hope it is a good phone, will work well. I'm excited to try out the face unlock. No one really talked about that. I wonder if it's just bad and they just didn't mention it, but the new chip inside is supposed to allow it to do face unlock pretty well without all the infrared and everything, which will be sweet. So right now I'm going to transfer all my data over. So while my data is copying over to my new phone, I figured it'd be a good time to say I'm going to try posting more frequently than just on Thursdays, just to get more video reps in, because I'm trying to just get better at making videos and making a lot of videos. I can't promise that it'll be more than every Thursday, but at least every Thursday there'll be a video coming out. Or Friday, sorry. I'm switching it to Friday. I don't know why I picked Thursday before. Friday just works way better with my schedule. So, Fridays is when I'm going to come out with new videos like today. And next Friday there'll be another video. I don't think another thing I mentioned was the battery life on the Pixel 7 and is supposed to be way better than the 6 Pro, which is sweet because this phone had a terrible battery. Like I'm gone. I'm when I work, I'm out of the house a lot and out of my car a lot in gas stations. Like I work in gas stations, so I like have to take pictures of stuff all the time and use my phone pretty frequently. So having this dying quickly was not helpful. Like I'd go to a store, be using my phone for a couple hours, and it'd be go from 90 or 80% to like 40% in a couple hours. It was brutal. So I'm hoping that this battery will be a lot better. I even think I've changed my refresh rate and everything on the Pixel 6 Pro, and it still was pretty bad. But apparently the new phone is supposed to be pretty good. Yeah, I think that's it.